Hello and welcome to Car Chaps, where today we're at the Porsche Museum in Stuttgart.
Yes, I've decided to take my car on a pilgrimage home. Now this is the Porsche Museum, some fantastic exhibits inside, so let's take a look around. Quite nice, selfishly, not to be at a BMW museum or meet. There's a different German manufacturer that's been bandwagoned by everybody. This line is pretty simple. That's very sexy. That's very sexy. That's incredibly sexy. And down the end, it's really impractical and sexy. Car Chaps informs you. All the comings and goings in Stuttgart. This won Le Mans, didn't it? It's got Nico Hülkenberg's year, 2015. Bloody nice, that is. I remember watching the whole of this Le Mans, because Nico Hülkenberg was obviously coming from Force India mid-season to race at Le Mans, which at the time was kind of unheard of, before Alonso did it. And I love it when they've still got all the bits of rubber and oil all over it, yeah, all over it. Mechanical shit. I like how small the cockpit is, like during that prototype era. Obviously they've still got it, but this is random tourists here. Yeah, so bloody nice. And we've got, I think it's a DTM spec 911 here. I sound like sort of David Attenborough slash furtive tones. Yeah, DTM. There's a party in my pants. And everyone's invited.
Glenn's getting carried away now. On his first driving lesson.